Hello, greetings of the day from Abhyasa. As you are aware, Abhyasa has been striving to make your French learning as interesting as possible. Towards this end, we have accumulated a few innovative tools to make it interesting. Like you are all aware of the game that we play, Kahoot, which is more than a game for me, is a memory tool which will improve your memory skills. Similarly, to make your learning experience even more enriching is the language gym. Now we are going to introduce you to this language gym. We will be sending you a password on your WhatsApp group, which we have created for your French learning. You have to go to that particular website and register. Now, many kids have registered, but they have not been able to complete their assignments. Probably it is uh, probably it's because you're new to the website and you're still not comfortable in getting along with the process of completing your assignments which you send on language gym. So let us see how it is done. Now if you see here, when we send you a link, your link will be sent something like this. You have a link which talks about the classroom, which is called as demo class, and then you have your password here, and there is a date of expiry for the password. Now if you look here, it is mentioned that you have to go to this particular website and log in. Now let's see how it is done. Now for you to search language gym, you can just type in it Google language gym. Okay, now you see the home page here, language gym homepage. You click on the home page, then you scroll down to the end of the web page, where in some of the browsers it will show as a student login, or you will see something like join a class or join a school. Now you click on join a school, join a classroom. Now as you are going to register here, you have to give certain details. Enter your invitation code. Now this invitation code which is on my WhatsApp, what I will be doing right now is type out that particular uh, password, that is capitals VQ5C2. Now to make my life easier, I am copying this part, copying the password, going back to language gym and mentioning the invent, paste the code here, right? Now I need to enter my full name. So I'll put it as SV Hanuman. Then my email ID, I will show it as svhanuman@gmail.com. Then I need to choose a password. So let me put a password here. Okay. So I'm not telling what my password is. Yeah, the email has already been taken, which I had tested some time back. So let me give another email ID, which would be, this is my official email ID. Okay, so I'm logging in now. It is a success. Now a welcome email has been sent to your email ID. Okay, now I will go to my email, right? I will open a new tab here. So here you see that I have come into my email ID, into my Gmail, where I have got a password. I have got a mail from languagegym.com. Yes, confirm your account. Mail, you are authenticating this. Now once you have authenticated, you can see here my name is shown and my email ID is shown here. Then I can confirm a new password. Okay, I'll be creating a password for myself. Right, now I give a save. So I've saved my password here. Once this is done, we As a student, you need to start doing the assignments that have already been sent to you. How do you do that? Here you have your classes, and in the class you are shown as Abhyasa demo class, for which I got the invitation, and I say enter class. So once I enter the class, I see my assignments are already set up. Now to do this assignment, this is a verb trainer, and for this I click on play, and it will take me to the assignment that I have been given. Now you need to conjugate the verbs here, right? Now our, you need to conjugate as for J, yeah, first person singular, or for yourself. Then you need to answer. Okay, let's say the answer is AI, right? And I give it next. So I've given my answer. So like this, you have 16 questions here, and you need to answer all the 16 questions. Once this is done, we will know how many attempts you have made to complete this assignment. At the same time, your score. You can take this assignment 2-3 times to improve your scores as well. The more you do it, the better you get with this. Different types of games have been set up for improving your skills in your French language. Once you're done up with your assignments, all you have to do is sign out. Keep checking for assignments that have been given to you. There is a game called rock climbing in that. There is a game called boxing, and there is a verb trainer, and there is also a grammar exercise where generally we know that some students are not very keen on writing. So here it is fill in the blanks with options, where it is completely online. You don't need to even sometimes type. So we have made it easier for you to learn and understand the language. Practice what you have learned in a much easier way, and this being a technology driven teaching, your retention span will be much higher, because you're using all your 3 facilities, like the sensory learning facilities, like the auditory learning, the visual learning, as well as the kinesthetics, to keep you more involved, engaged, and also to help you improve your short-term memory and long-term memory, and retain what you have learned, so that you can reproduce it in the right way in your exams and score well. If you know, the last academic year, the ICSE French students who gave their 10th exams, board exams, the highest was 96 score from Abhyasa, and the lowest being 65. So you can see that the scores are very good from our students. All this is possible because our students have done real hard work as well as smart work in learning memory techniques that we teach at Abhyasa, using the latest tools that are available in the market. At the same time, they have been able to learn well, remember well, and reproduce what they have learnt well in their examinations, with the highest score of 96 marks and the lowest being 65 marks. We have got 100% first class results from Abhyasa. The credit goes to the students as well as for the parents who have taken the same amount of pressure that the child takes during exams, going through all the pain along with their child. And definitely we are very proud of each and every kid who has scored well. There have been kids who have come to us 3 months before the exam, taken a crash course with us, and they have ended up with more than 90 marks. This has been an amazing journey for us, and we would like to take this journey forward and help all of you, all the students of Abhyasa, to excel in French language. Not only in French, you use the same techniques that we teach here, apply it in other subjects, you will be able to score well there as well. Wishing you all the best.